in the second.
UAdvocate Zandile Mshololo uthi umbuso wabukela phansi amalungelo omsolwa wesihlanu ufiso kuhle Ntuli ngokudalula Idokodo lesibili kuleli Icala ngaphambi kokuthi banikezwe ithuba lokulivuma noma ukuliphika.
The second docket, my lord, contains the photo albums that were taken in the crime scene when the incident took place, on the following day when the incident took place in this matter. That information is crucial to this trial. Secondly, my lord, the second docket contains the statement, which I may call it the second statement, of Sergeant Mosia, who is testifying before this court. And in that statement, he is contradicting himself.
UAdvocate Mshololo uthi umsolwa wesihlanu wayezoliphika icala ukuba umbuso wenza okufanele. Umbuso uyaphikisana nalesicelo njengoba uthi sifakwe isikhathi singakafiki futhi kumele sichithwe inkantolo.
There was already a discussion about First Lawrence Case 3751 of 2019, and that was on the 17th of March before the have pleaded. And we therefore make the submission, my lord, that the fact that they say they were not aware of the contents of the second docket is not borne out by the record.
Ummeli wabasolwa abane uThabo Thobani uzolandela kanti uAdvocate Mshololo yena uzophendula kusasa.